Welcome people, just out here at the creek, northeastern Victoria. Just found a bit of a spot here, got the pump set up, and in here, running around here, just found a little bench here, it's actually in a straight, just before a bend. As you can see, the creek runs along here, runs down there and around the bend, and I'm just digging here. The clay is not real deep, as you can see, the clay under my feet. It's only about 2 inches of soil and rocks on top of the clay. It drops down to about 1 foot deep along there. So I'm just cleaning that up in here, and been getting a lot of cons with that bread crate there, so I've swapped it out to a different profile bread crate. You'll see when the water clears, sort of lets go more, gets rid of more of the rocks and less rubbish in me cons. But that one there is good for really fine gold, real fine, but you get a lot of cons with it. I've been getting some reasonable flakes from here. I've run it this morning and I've got one clean out. It was pretty good. I only just panned a bit of the clean out. It's reasonable gold, so I'll just clean the rest up at home. And anyway, as you know, if you follow my channel, it's most of my gear's homemade. Anyway, I'll try and throw a shovel of this in, so you can see it one-handed if I can. Works well. I haven't got the because it's pretty sandy here, not so much big rocks, so I've got me the high bank apart, not so steep angle, so it'll just wash away slowly, not overload me mats. Been a long while between a prospecting video. I was out here once and got flooded out in the heavy rain and that, so I've come out here for 3 days and see how I go this time. It took me a while to find this spot. That many people up the creek this weekend, and I normally go a bit further up, but people everywhere, so I settled for here and did a lot of panning before I found this. But you can see the creek is straight, so the theory is always look for an inside bend, but that's not 100% correct half the time too. As you can see, this spot's just on a straight. The creek just runs straight down here to where I am, then it goes across there a bit and around a bit of an S-bend. I've tried around those bends there. There's 1, 2, maybe 3 tiny fly shit specks, and just on this little bench here I was getting 10, 12 specks a pan. Not real brilliant, but better than what I could get in this area. So I'll get you back a bit later on, maybe show you a bit of a clean up. Just back from the Victoria trip a couple of weeks ago and just cleaning up my cons. So I'm just panning down what I had in the snuffer bottle, so Not sure if you can see this in the light, there's a fair bit of gold here. So what I'll try and do is snuff most of it up here. And this is part I hate this, getting it all away from the sands, but anyway, trying to get it nice and clean to have a way up. So suck that bit up there, another line there. I didn't get to my usual spot there. Got there on a Sunday arvo, and normally anyone there on the weekend is sort of packing up by then, but apparently I had a long weekend in Victoria there a few weeks ago when I was there, and everyone was still there. But I got into a good spot, good camping spot anyway, but the gold wasn't real good. But anyway, I still had a good time. Still got some gold, as you can see. Nice line there. It just takes some time, this, trying to get all the fine sand away from the gold, so get it ready to dry and weigh it up. But I won't bore you with any more of this stuff. I'll wait till I get ready for the weigh. Welcome back, people. Just going to heat up the gold from the last trip. Just got the gas here, just going to cook the water off it. Didn't get that much this trip. It's a small pile. Got a little picker in there. Actually, it was in my snuffer bottle from the last trip, but there we go. Just turn that gas off. So we'll turn this on. Not turning on. Hang on, I'll just bear with me a bit. See what's going on here. Maybe the batteries. It's in the right way. See what's going on here. With one battery in the wrong way. We'll do a rabbit today. That's better. We're on carrots. We want grams. I was weighing some opals here, so we want grams, ounces, Yeah, 1 grams now. Tat. Just try and fold this bit of paper up a bit here. That. Yeah, tat off. Yeah. I'll just turn this around a bit. Still tat off. Yep, beautiful. So here we go. .30, which isn't bad. 2930, and I'll try and show you this picker. As you can see, there's a picker in there. This little one here. So, alright, a little bit of dirt in it, but not that much. So, oh, 0.30 I think we had it at. Yep. So it's not too bad actually for the amount of digging I did. Wasn't too bad. Alright, well, we'll catch us next trip. I went out a couple of days ago, but only lasted the day, got crook and come home. So that's how it is when you get old. Alright, I'll get you back in a bit.